Dance Namaskaram. Namaskaram in Sanskrit, obeisances in English. Tatti kumbittal, meaning to hit the feet and pray, or Tottu kumbittal, meaning to touch and pray in Tamil. Namaskaram is a traditional way to start and end a dance practice and performance.
Significance and detailed description step by step.
Start the Namaskaram with your patakas going all the way around and it comes and rests in Katakam. Okay, this is the opening of a particular sequence. So you tap when you do this, your legs goes into Aramandi when your hands are swinging around and you come to Aramandi. To show that it's the starting of the Namaskaram, you tap your right feet and your left feet. The first Namaskaram is your hands on your shoulders in reverse thumbs up, which is for the musicians who normally sit on the right side of you in your live dancing. Then this is for all the gods in the 8 directions whom we have to say Namaskaram to. And by any chance, if we hurt any living beings, sorry to them while we are dancing. Okay? The first is for musicians where you sit in Aramandi, looking to your right side. And you bring your hands down in Alapadma. This is for all the gods in 8 directions. Now come down. The main thing is Bhuma Devi. You say thank you to her and sorry for stamping on her head. In Chatura Mudra, pinky finger out, daddy finger in the middle of the thumb finger, middle of the center finger, eyes. Then hands becomes again in Alapadmam, all the way down to the Supreme Personality of Godhead top, who is above all of us. Then comes the teacher, where the brain is, where the knowledge is getting stored, and that's done by the teacher. So thanks to the teacher on your forehead. Then the center to the audience and your fellow team members, whoever is dancing along with you. So you end by tapping your right feet, indicating you're finishing the namaskaram. Once you're done, do a proper namaskaram to the God. It is Panchanga Namaskaram for girls. For boys, it is Ashtanga Namaskaram. Thank you.
The significance of Namaskaram. When we dance, we become like drummers. In that, Mother Earth takes the form of a drum whom we hit with our legs. Thus, the Namaskaram is a way for us to seek forgiveness, permission, and blessings from Bhuma Devi, Mother Earth. We also ask forgiveness for disturbing the many life forms that live on the ground while dancing.
Let's begin with that. Tallangu takkattu takkatta dinginnatum. Right leg stamming first. Takka dimmi takka jennu takka dimmi takka jennu takka dimmi takka jennu takka dimmi takka jennu tam. Kidaga tam. Kidaga tam. Kidaga tam.
Namaskaram style, pattern, and procedure varies from teacher to teacher based on their creativity. We can do simple and quick Namaskaram, which is Kalakshetra style, or an elaborate Namaskaram in this way to cover up all the elements as described in this video, first half from 30 seconds. The benefit of doing the elaborate Namaskaram is we cover up all the elements who have to be thanked and respected. Thank you for watching. Please learn, like, share, and subscribe. Hare Krishna, Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.